are the Nike Cortez classics, and they refer to the movie Forrest Gump. And I bought these shoes, and they got in a special story. At this moment I didn't wear them, but I know they were released in February 2015. So I went to the Nike store in Amsterdam. I went to the counter and asked, do you have the Nike Air Cortez on stock? And it was on Friday, and the employee said, sorry, but they got released tomorrow, so I don't get you don't get them today. Then he looked to my shoes and he saw I'm fanatic because I wear my old Nike Air Epics, so he asked me something, etc, etc. And later on he asked me, what size do you got? And I say I have size 43 in euros, so it is 9.5 in US, 8.5 in UK. And he said, which color do you want, the white or black? I say, no, I don't. If you got them, I want the white with red and blue on the sole, because they are referred to Forrest Gump. He said, you are lucky today because they got in already today, just a half hour ago. So he went to the back, and he later on, in a few minutes, he came back and he said, you are lucky because this is the only pair we got on stock in your size. So if you want them, you can buy them. So that's just great to call them, because on eBay you see the prices are going up very high with these shoes, but it is very nice to cut them. And to complete it, I bought on eBay just the hat from Gump Shrimp Corporation. So